Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to insert a calendar in a Confluence page. All right, let's begin. Note that adding calendar is not possible right now, and this process is a workaround, so follow along. First, go to your Confluence homepage and select the workspace you are working in. Once inside the workspace, choose the page where you want to insert the calendar. Make sure it's the correct page to keep your events and dates organized. Now, click on the Edit button to enter editing mode. When you are ready, type /, then calendar. This command will bring up the date option. Select it, and the selected date will be inserted into your page. Now, adding calendar is currently not available as this feature has been moved behind a paywall. You will need to get a paid plan first and then access the calendar from the left side menu. So that's basically how you can insert a calendar in a Confluence page. That's it for this video. Thanks.